My name's Teleri Lewis, and today I'll be giving you some information on fees and funding and also some helpful tips. In university, you will have two main payments: tuition fees and living costs. Living costs include things like accommodation fees, food, travel, and so on. Tuition fee support is available for students from the UK and the EU. Depending on your circumstances, you could be entitled to a grant in addition to the main tuition fee loan. Living costs are covered by the grants and maintenance loan. At Aberystwyth University, we have a broad range of accommodation, from budget rooms to studio apartments. Students usually pay for their accommodation in 3 instalments. To help with your living costs, there's a range of additional support you could be entitled for, including grants and bursaries. Now remember, loans are repayable while grants are not repayable. You'll start repaying your student loan after graduating and only once you're earning over £21,000. The repayments will be taken from your wage every month and are based on what you earn, not how much you borrowed. Any remaining loan will be written off after 30 years. For more information on repayments, have a look at the Student Loan Company website. The application cycle opens in spring. For students from England, you will need to access the Student Finance England website. And for Welsh domiciled students, you will need to use the Student Finance Wales website. Both websites have great online calculators. Please make use of these, as they will give you a good idea of just how much funding you can receive. At Aberystwyth, we offer a great selection of bursaries and scholarships, including academic-related awards and residential bursaries. We also offer the means-tested Aberystwyth bursary, which is linked with your student finance application. For more information of all scholarships and bursaries that we offer here, please have a look at our scholarship talk on this website. Just to finish, I have a few little application tips for you. First of all, make sure that you apply as soon as possible. Be sure to put your full name on all applications, whether to UCAS or the student finance application. This will hopefully mean that there are no issues when linking up your records and also ensuring your funding is in place. Remember to consent to share your financial information so that you can be assessed for a bursary. Make sure that you sign and return your loan declaration form so this completes your application process. If you'd like more information on payments, fundings or fees, please contact us at fees@aber.ac.uk. Thank you for listening and good luck. Pob lwc.